Hey there, fellow herb enthusiasts and seekers of cosmic wisdom. Welcome back to Herb Nerd TV, your trusted source for all things health, herbs, and a sprinkle of science. Today, we're turning our gaze skyward to explore a topic that's been captivating humans for millennia: the influence of moon phases on our health. Does the moon's cycle really affect our well-being, or is it just a romantic notion? Grab your favorite lunar-infused herbal tea, perhaps some mugwort or jasmine, and let's dive into this celestial subject. The moon's mystique. The moon has always held a special place in human culture. From guiding agricultural practices to inspiring folklore and art, its phases have been linked to various aspects of life on Earth. Many people believe that the moon influences our emotions, behaviors, and even physical health. But what does science have to say about this? Sleep patterns and the moon. Some studies suggest that the lunar cycle may have a subtle impact on our sleep. For instance, a study published in the journal Current Biology found that participants took longer to fall asleep and had reduced deep sleep during the full moon. The researchers hypothesized that this could be an evolutionary remnant from a time when brighter nights required heightened alertness. Lunar effects on mood and behavior. There's a long-standing belief that the full moon can affect human behavior, leading to increased restlessness or emotional intensity, a phenomenon often referred to as the lunar effect. While anecdotal reports abound, scientific evidence remains inconclusive. Some studies have found slight increases in emergency room visits or mood disturbances during full moons, while others have found no significant correlation. Women's menstrual cycles. Another common belief is that the moon influences women's menstrual cycles, given that both roughly span 28 days. While it's a poetic idea, scientific studies have not established a consistent link between lunar phases and menstrual cycles. Hormonal cycles are regulated internally and are not significantly impacted by the moon's gravitational pull. Tidal forces and the human body. Some theories propose that since the moon affects ocean tides through gravitational forces, it might also affect the human body, which is composed largely of water. However, scientists point out that the gravitational effects on small bodies like humans are minuscule compared to those on large bodies of water. Embracing the moon's energy. Even if the scientific evidence is limited, many people find personal significance and comfort in aligning their activities with the moon's phases. Here are some ways you can incorporate lunar awareness into your wellness routine. 1. New moon intentions. Use the new moon as a time to set intentions or start new projects. 2. Full moon release. Practice letting go of negative thoughts or habits during the full moon. 3. Moonlit meditation. Meditate under the moonlight to connect with nature and enhance mindfulness. 4. Herbal allies. Incorporate herbs traditionally associated with the moon, such as mugwort for intuition or moonflower for relaxation. A balanced perspective. While it's fascinating to explore the potential connections between lunar cycles and our health, it's essential to maintain a balanced perspective. Relying solely on moon phases for health decisions isn't recommended. Instead, consider lunar practices as complementary to evidence-based health strategies. Final thoughts. Whether you're a skeptic or a moon lover, there's no denying the moon's allure and its place in human history. Exploring its potential influence on our health can deepen our connection to the natural world and ourselves. If you found this exploration enlightening, or if it sparked a new appreciation for our celestial neighbor, give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join our stargazing community. Until next time, stay curious and keep nurturing your inner herb nerd.